Release the Kraken!
Welcome back, fellow game designers. In our last video we went ahead and did the texture work for Link, and in this one we're going to do the eyes and the teeth and the tongue. So go ahead and select your eyeball, and let's go ahead and go to rendering. We'll drop on a material. I'm going to call this IMAT. I'll grab this eye, right click and hold, go down and assign existing material. I'll get IMAT. For the mouth, I'm going to get my tongue, throw on the material for the tongue. I'll call this tongue material. Get my teeth, upper. Now the teeth upper and lower, if we go to UVs, should have the same UVs, so we really only need to make one teeth material. So I'll go ahead and close that. I'll grab the material, make this teeth material, and I'll grab the other teeth and right click and hold out here, assign existing material, teeth material. Alright, so those materials are assigned. Now select the mouth group and then select the eyes. We're going to File, we'll do Send to Mudbox, Update Current Scene, and then Keep All. So those get dropped over here. Awesome. They're kind of creepy looking. You can see they came in with the teeth, tongue, and eye materials already applied because we applied them inside of Maya. Let's go ahead and select one of the eyeballs. I'll do the left eye. Just poke it to blink it, and then go to Layers, add a layer. This will be eye white, and then for the white of the eye, that's going to be pretty easy. I'll get the brush, and we'll just do white. Probably not bright white. Let's go with like an off-white, not quite white. Slide the RGB value into a little bit of yellow, and then we can flood that. So flood. Both of them get that material applied. If you want to go brighter, like maybe that's just not bright enough, you can go full white if you want. Flood it again. He looks creepy this way. Let's get the iris and the pupil. So new layer, we'll call this one iris. And whatever color eyes you want to give him, blue, red, purple, whatever you want to give Link for his eye color. Now I like to do this from the pole of the eye. That is going to be dead center on the eye. Make sure we have mirroring off. Make the brush the size that you want. Hold B, left click and drag to adjust the brush size. So I'm going to get mine about to there. Find center. And I'm just doing a gentle circle. Now this is something that I would prefer to do in Photoshop just because I can be more precise, but you can do it in Mudbox. That looks pretty good. For the pupil, add a layer. Hit OK. Pupils are going to be black, so I'm just going to get black. Again, I'll center up on my eye. Adjust my brush by holding B and dragging. Find the center, and I will gently fill in where the pupil will be. Nice. And then we can add some things to make them look a little bit more natural. So make a new layer. This will be veins. So the veins layer, you can change the order of the layers by dragging. So I'll put the veins above the white of the eye, but I want it to be behind my iris and the pupil. Let's grab some color. I'll get my red color from before. If you don't remember or you had to save it and it's different, here are my values right here for RGB. Alright, to paint this, I'm going to go get UVs and then flatten to UV space. Let's turn off symmetry, and then I'll hit F to frame, W to turn off the wireframe. B and drag to change my brush size. Alright, so the back of the eye is going to be more red, so I'm going to go ahead and just fill this in. Actually, I'll do this with a big brush. This will give the illusion of the muscle behind the eye. And we will have to check to make sure we're not going too far. So I'm going to look up at the other eye. Okay, I think we're good. Let's check that one. Okay, for the veins of the eye, I'm going to make the brush very thin. And then I will just paint on my veins. Take a look at how it's showing up over here. Okay. So I can go closer to the blue. So for here, I'll do maybe one that goes back. And we'll make this, let's go back, okay, we'll go up here and change this to like, let's try 75. Okay. There you go. Cool. And we can go up to UVs and unflatten. Where are you at, Mr. Eyeball? We'll poke it. Yeah, it'll work. For his teeth, they still look like jagged monster teeth, but we can always reshape them. I'll grab, let's do the tongue first. So tongue, that one's pretty easy. Go up to layers, we'll make a paint layer for that. I'll add a layer up here. We'll just call that tongue. And I will flood it. Let's blink the tongue so we can see it. Yeah, there it is. Let's grab the teeth. I'll get the uppers. For this, I'm gonna go and add in a couple layers. So the first layer, this will be, we'll do the gums. Let's go up to UVs and then flatten to UV space. Go ahead and press F to frame. Sometimes it's a bit picky. There we go. You gotta kind of get it in target first. I'll grab the color. The gums will be the same color as everything else, so we'll keep the red there. We'll just paint. Go ahead and add in a layer. We'll call this teeth. Change that to the color that you want. Teeth aren't generally perfectly white, so maybe I'll get this slightly yellow color. So, how about there? Unless they're like super bleached teeth, then you might have super white. Those are my numbers if you want them. And make sure I'm on the teeth layer. Nice. And if you want to add like decoloration, or let's say he had, you know, he drinks a lot of caffeine, he might be a little bit more like this color. You can kind of give some tartar buildup. I mean, Link is from, what, before toothbrushes were made, right? So he should have some messy teeth. I'll let you decorate these however you like. Alright, so I went ahead and painted his teeth. Let's see what we've got over here. Link, you gotta brush your teeth. Look at them. It's so bad. And we'll unflatten. Okay, we're going to save the Mudbox file. So File, Save. That way we don't lose anything. If we have to come back, we can make changes. We'll get the eyeballs, tongue, and teeth, and we'll send those back to Maya. We'll just update current scene. Yes. So right here where it says channel SC, whatever this is, this just means it's going to grab whatever the channel name is. So we don't have to write it in. It's very convenient. So it's going to auto grab for us. Hit OK. His teeth are a bit weird. Let me go up and get mesh display, and I'll set to face. This one as well. Mesh display set to face. Link is textured up, and now we can start working on skeletons and animation. So that's going to do it for this video. Make sure you save your work, and in the next one we will start building Link's skeleton. Save your work, stay tuned, and I shall see you next time. Hey guys, thank you for checking out the channel. If you like that video you just watched, consider hitting that like button and hit or subscribe. Also, if you'd like to support the channel, check out the Wielders of Ether. It's my upcoming comic book. The Kickstarter will be dropping pretty soon. You can see that is getting ready here. The newsletter for that, if you go to brucebooks.com, you can sign up for the newsletter, and you will be notified when the Kickstarter drops. We're pretty excited, and we hope to see you on launch day.